It is the exact product and the ad copy of the product that I have given to my Instagram influencer for advertising that has made me around $5,046 with an order volume of 80 orders. And this is the code that I have given to my influencer for promoting my product to their Instagram page that have given me this kind of The first step is to find out your winning product and choose a niche and find more winning products around it. I have made one detailed videos on the steps that I'm using to find out my winning products, and you can watch this video till in the up of this that is coming in the suggested part of this video. In this video I have explained in details how I am finding my winning products, so you can go and watch this video first. So I'm going to pixda.com in the Google and searching for Pixda. When it's coming up, the first link that is coming up in this section, that is Pixda Hunt winning products and sell online, you need to click on this winning product link, and this screen will get open up. That is Pixda. In this you should go to the right part of this section. In this there will be option coming is this niche. There are thousands of niches are there. In this, millions of products are there that you can find for selling this online, and you can find your winning product within this niche. So in this I have chosen the niche as cats for finding for this video, for explaining how you can find your winning products that I have used for finding out my winning products in the past and advertising it through Instagram influencers and Instagram traffic. So let's click on the cat, and this, after clicking on the cat sections, this page will get open up. In this you can find millions of products that you can start advertising it right now and get sales around it. Suppose your niche is around cats. I've chosen my niche is around cats. So you can see there are thousands of products out there. In that they have sales of around, there is a couple cat necklace of sales that has already been sold, around 2000 hoodies with sold around 2000, more than 2000 products. That is a winning product, and I have made one detailed video on how you can find your winning products, so make sure you watch in the I section. After you find your winning product, the second step is to go to Google and type out Shoutcart, and go to the first link of this link that will appear up, and click on the first link. After clicking this first link, this website will open up. That is shoutcart.com. It's a free website. It's not free, but it's the website that I'm using for finding out my winning Instagram influencers for free of cost. It is a free of cost. You don't need to register for this and pay anything in that. This is the website. In that thousands of Instagram influencers have registered. So go to register and register in this website for free. I'll not show how to register. You need to go and register. I'll log into my account. So I have logged into my account, and this is the website Shoutcart, and I'll go to the browse section of this. In this, the Instagram influencers will come up that have along different niches. So I have chosen my niche as cat niche, and I'll untick. So I'll untick every other and tick only the cat niche here. So after clicking on the cat niche, you can see there are thousands of influencers that have appeared up. In this we'll sort by, the first thing that we'll sort is by score. We'll sort by the influencers by their scores. So if for taking out those winning influencers, first we'll see the score of the influencer should be more than 4, and the size of the influencer followers should be more than 100k followers. So in this we have found that it's cats that is satisfying our niche and our conditions. That's it's having more than 4 as a score, and followers is around more than 100k followers. So here you can see the score is more than 4, and the success rate means what? How many persons have given ads, they got success and they got sales with their post on their page. So they have also 100k followers. They are satisfying our conditions. So you can see what they are advertising and all. Their success rate also 100%, that's satisfying our first criteria. You can see which country their followers are coming from, which languages they are speaking, their followers are speaking. Their primary gender is woman, and the night at 1 a.m. to 6 p.m. is the best time for posting ads to their page. Okay, so next step, we'll just do what we'll do is we'll go to one for validate. The second step is to validate winning influencers. Once we got those these influencers from this one, that shout card, next what we need to do is we need to go to Google and validate the influencer again. So go to Google and search influencer marketing hub. The first link that will appear up, that is Instagram marketing hub, you have to click in that. The page that will open up is this page that will get open up. So what you need to do is you need to scroll exactly, this is the exact website that will open up. What you need to do is you need to go and scroll exactly down to this website and go to Instagram calculator. You need to click on the Instagram calculator. Once you click on Instagram calculator, this page will open up. Here it will show enter your Instagram username, enter your Instagram username. So you need to go to again shout card and copy the name of that influencers and go to this page and paste, just simply paste there and give on search. So in this they will show how many people is engaging, what's their average engagement score, how many people are commenting in their post. So the engagement rate should be always, you should look at the engagement rate should be more than 4. Always this should be more than 4. That means people are liking their posts and they're commenting on their post. They are in this and they are the genuine post. And the third step is to confirm the winning influencers. Once you got your winning influencers, next you validate, and third is to go to Instagram to confirm that this is the winning influencers. The third step, you need to open up Instagram. Next, copy that username that I've created and search in that, and search in Instagram and open up any of their posts and look at all of their posts and see what comments people are commenting on that. Nowadays people, what they are doing is they are giving some bots for their website and all, for creating followers and all, getting followers and all. So we should not advertise our product to the bots. We should advertise to a real person. So what you need to do is you need to go and see their comments. If in comments only hi, it's okay, it's fine is there, that means there are bots available in there. They've used as bots for getting followers. So if here you can see the comments is that the fact that it's centered bothered me, it seems like it's for genuine person, not with some bots and all. You need to scroll down to every comments, every likes that have, and read every comments properly to validate that, to confirm that it's a genuine and winning influencer that can give you sales. Ultimate goal of yours is get sales. So this is the third step of getting, confirming that the influencer is a winning influencer. And I think it gets satisfy all of the needs, all of the demands. That is, first it should be a winning influencer. Second, it should have validity, it should be more than 4 engagement score. And the third step, the comments in their page or their post should be good. They have given one email address also, you can contact with them, as I think it's a good winning product, it's a winning. The third step that I'll be showing you in this video is to make a niche Instagram business page. Yes, it will take some time, but it will be worth it if you create it properly. So first you need to go to Instagram and create a business page like this. Here you can see it's my page. By the way, you can follow me in hirak.avengers if you want. Okay, so let's go to a page. I'll show you how they have created, and this step every other big business Instagram influencers are doing and for getting sales. What you need to do is you need to create at first you have chosen your niche. You need to create a Instagram business page along that niche. Here I have chosen as cat as a business, as a niche of my products. So in that I have like them, I need to create one Instagram business page and keep on posting in that page. Whatever post is there for getting people to comment or follow my page, for getting those images for posting in that Instagram influencers for free, I'll be showing you one website called Pixabay. You need to go to pixabay.com. In that you need to search for cats or whatever niche you are in. You need to search those niche here. Well, I have searched cats here. I'm getting millions of or thousands of pictures that is of high quality, and you can literally download and post those pictures in your business Instagram page and keep on posting until you got followers, like, comments. So here you can see there are 261 posts available for only cats. So you can scroll up and search for like whatever post you like. So I like this post here. So I'll click on this image where I can see this image has been opened up. So next what you do is I'll go to free download. I click on the free download, and I always download it 1920 into 1280. This is the pixel that I'm using for resolution I'm using. So next what you need to do is you need to go to your business page, and like this you need to post like this images that I have shown right now. This picture I'll post as this post, and once you post you need to write something about this picture, anything whatever you like. And the main thing of Instagram influencers for advertising in Instagram is to give hashtags. Here you can see they have given hashtag catsgram, hashtag online Instagram, hashtag instafind. You can also copy this kind of hashtag or give whatever hashtags you want. Hashtag should be minimum of 30 hashtags, not more than that. So after giving these hashtags and all this, after posting, you need to keep on posting every day for 3 days for at least 5 to 6 months for getting these results. So finally the moment has come in which I will show you the exact products that has made me this kind of results in the past, and the exact ad copy and the messages that I have given to my influencers for promoting my product to their page. So are you interested? Let's see it. It is the exact ad copy that I've used in the past. You can see here is an engagement sign, that is emoji that is increasing my engagement. This is the exact ad copy that have made me this kind of result, that is given me around 80 orders, and the product and the sales volume is around 80, and they have made dollars of 5,000 in the past. See, at first I got sales of around $100. I have only spent only $10 for this, for posting my ads to those influencer page. First I have made the $100, and literally day by day the sales volume start increasing, and I started to get more sales and sales. After that has made me this kind of results in the past in my store. So I have gotten orders of around 80 orders. So this is the exact messages that I have given to my influencers, posting up my products to their page and promote. I have promoted this, by the way, I'll say you that I promoted this product for only $10. So first what I start this, hi, I love your channel and would love to promote my products with you. This is wrong something, I'll be okay, my products with you. So once you message this, they will reply back to you with their rates. Then you need to message them, I need to build a long business with you, and will keep on taking shoutouts from you. So first I want to post my products with a picture with $10, and then we will proceed further. You should message them back this thing that you will keep on taking shoutouts from them, and it will start with $10. Once she accept your request, you need to send the ads to the influencers. Once she or he will accept your ads, you need to send the ad copy to that influencers. So second step is to that all the big website owners use, that is to need to ask the influencers, hey, I love your work and photos and want to be my ambassador. That means they will work as an ambassador for you. I will send you our products You need to take a picture with the product and promote it with your feeds with product link. You got to keep this product and use it. If everything goes good, I'll be pay you for this too. That is the product. It is the way every other big influencers are doing big website. I have created one details video how can you can find your $1 million winning product right now. If you want to see this video, make sure you click on this video right now.